Okay, well, we got the grill cleaned out, got all the roaches out. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fire up some burgers on the grill. Now, the first thing you want to remember is whenever you're getting ready to cook something on the grill, you got to make sure you turn the gas on plenty ahead of time. Now I've had the gas on for about an hour, so it should be ready to fire up. Let's go take a look. Now here you can see we've got our Deluxe Sunbeam grill. We've got all our gas set already on. We'll just get a glove and some matches here. Okay. And we'll just drop it right down in. Well, now that the grill's fired up, might as well go get them burgers.